Recent teardowns reveal what we get on the insides of the Google Pixel 3 XL, and some of the things are actually surprising. We get some more renders of what to expect for the new iPads, and no surprises here. And YouTube and Google services were struggling all day yesterday, so yeah, we get it. I'm Jaime Rivera. Definitely yesterday was awesome with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Let us know what you think about that device in the video that we published yesterday. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals to a certain degree. If you pre-ordered the Google Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL, Google is offering you $50 off. There's actually a process that you have to follow. And the thing about it is today is the last day that you can claim it, and I hate that this video is going to go live a lot later, that you could probably take advantage of it, but still follow the link in the description. You never know. It's $50 in your pocket. Now, let's talk about LG and Lenovo, two companies that we never thought that we'd hear working together, are apparently work in the process of building this 13-inch tablet that has the purpose of being a foldable display, smartphone, tablet, hybrid, stuff like that. Apparently, the company is working for this to be available in 2019 at some point to compete with whatever Huawei and Samsung are working on. We just don't know if this is an LG panel working on a Lenovo tablet or what the case will be. We'll see. Now, for those of you that were having issues watching your YouTube videos yesterday, yes, it was happening. There were issues with pretty much all Google services up to the point where YouTube was down for pretty much 30 minutes, depending on whatever server you were on. Honestly, here in the UK, we weren't really having issues, or at least I don't think we did. I didn't notice. I was very busy yesterday. But let us know in the comments if you were affected or anything. Now let's talk about iPads. I mean, once we've got 3D renders by these guys for my smart price, which are actually not theirs, they just buy them from the leakers. It's set in stone. We get pretty much the design that we've been able to see lately, and I am still shocked at the fact that I do see that there is USB-C support. Again, this is the iPad Pro. We're not talking about the regular iPad. It seems that Apple finally has decided to take a leap and make iPads more Pro-like. Let's see in the end if it turns out to be as great as it should be. And finally, the hot news today have to do with my allergies. No, not my allergies, but those of you that are in the market to buy a Google Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL, this is interesting. I mean, iFixit has already tore them down. And we were assuming that the panel on the Pixels was made by LG. They just won an award from DisplayMate as the best screens. And it turns out that guess who manufactures the screens? The winner of the previous prize, which is Samsung, because they also build the Apple ones, they also build the Galaxy ones, and now they've won this one. And this is rather interesting. I mean, I don't agree with the DisplayMate rating because even though the Pixels have a great screen, they have a good screen, it's not as bright as everything else out there. And, you know, sometimes brightness is not important to people until you walk into direct sunlight. So let us know in the comments, number one, if you're out for the Google Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL, and number two, how important is this, you know, the fact that we have a Samsung panel and anything? Does this change your mind and makes you want to buy one? Because yes, I mean, Samsung has proven they make the best displays in the market. In my case, it makes it even more of a reason to recommend, but I'm hoping that somehow the display gets brighter. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. And follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.